Hello everybody, this is Victoria and Henry from Blue Hand Arts. Henry is helping me to put this peony painting on the backing paper. First step is to iron on the silicone on the backing paper. Silicone, you need to put temperature on the silk, the lowest normally for your iron. Center out, yeah. Try to mesh if the peony is perfect on that, centered. And then let it cool down a little bit. Peel the silicone backing paper. Release paper. Now the film is on the backing paper. On the backing paper of this. The release paper is released. Let's save later for covering for iron purpose. Now, yeah, put the painting on and facing up. Now the silicone film is in the center, right? Sandwiched. Yeah. Then against the dust, more or less a little bit on the iron, and then iron it. Now the painting is stick on the backing paper, right? Silicone film is in center. Yeah, the stroke is center out. Do the cross and like the English flag. Center out, get out to the bubble, air bubble. Yeah, that's the purpose. Yeah, that's about the process. And you can, sorry about the dog. Yeah, you can see if there are any inflections. It's perfect. Thank you, Harry. And this is one of my attempts for the study of a peony recent for our upcoming workshop on the Tuesday, June 20th. I did a lot of attempts. See, this is the yellow one. This is the yellow one, and this is the pink one, and some on cardboard, and some on silk, and this is the yellow yellow paper. On yellow paper, the blue one is mounted already. And basically, I want to let you know this is actually different color from same templates. From same templates, you can do different color. Okay. That's we are going to learn in our workshop. Let's work together. You are welcome to register now, and we are going to do this. This is the latest. Actually, this is the very light color, the white one. It's very challenging on the white paper, this white one. But I like the tenderness of this color for the peony flower. Okay, let's work together and learn how to do this elaborating fine line painting Chinese for the Chinese painting for the peony. Okay, thank you for watching, and hope to see you in our workshop in the class. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.